Okay, so multiplying decimals, we learned when we multiply decimals to remove the decimal points and just multiply the numbers that we see there. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then we're told, because there's 2 decimal places in the question, there's going to be 2 in the answer. So you get 0.08. Okay, let me just show you why that sort of works, right? I'll do it step by step. If we've got 4 times 2 is 8, what I can do then is I can change that to 0.4. Okay, and if you think about it, to get from 4 to 0.4, I have to divide by 10, don't I? Okay, so dividing this by 10 will give me 0.4, but because I've divided this side by 10, I need to divide that side by 10 as well. Okay, so I'll get 0.8, because 8 divided by 10 is 0.8. So that's just by changing 4 to 0.4, all right? But of course we've got 0.2 as well, so I'm going to need to change the 2 to 0.2. Again, I'm going to need to divide it by 10, so I get 0.2. But in order to do that, because I've divided the left hand side by 10, I've got to divide the right hand side by 10 as well. So 0.8 divided by 10 is going to be 0.08. The number just shifts to the right by 1 place. So I get my answer. So that's why it works, okay? Obviously in the exam, if you're given a question like that, you can just do the calculation. 4 times 2 is 8, and then 2 decimal places, so 0.08. Similarly, if you've got 0.2 times 0.3, you just do 2 times 3 is 6, and because there's 2 decimal places, it'll be 0.06. Okay, with then the subtraction, what's really important here is you line up the decimal points, okay? So you don't align it to the right, okay? What we're doing is we're lining up the decimal points perfectly so that we can take away the correct values. Each value is in its correct place. So we're going to minus. Now there's nothing there, so I need to write a 0 here, okay? And then we take away. Now 0 take away 3 can't be done, can't it? 0 take away 3, you can't take 3 from nothing. So we borrow from the 7 and make that a 6, and the 1 I borrow I'll put here to make this 10. 10 take away 3 then is 7. 6 take away 2 is 4. Decimal point. Now 2 take away 3 can't be done, so I borrow from this 1, make that a 0, and the 1 I borrow put here. So 12 then take away 3 is 9, so I get 9.47.